So many of you are asking me this question about cravings and how to stop. So first of all, we're going to talk about what causes these cravings. So the first one is blood sugar imbalance. So if we have too much carbs and sugar, what happens is there is a sugar spike in the blood and then a sugar drop. And this causes the craving. The second cause is hormonal imbalance. Hormones such as insulin, cortisol, and serotonin play a big part in sugar cravings. Insulin resistance, for example, can cause sugar cravings as it tries to balance the sugar in the body. Number 3 is nutritional deficiencies. Diet that's lacking in magnesium and zinc, for example, can cause sugar cravings. Number 4 is anxiety and depression and stress. So if you find comfort in food, then this is what you're going to turn to when you're stressed. It's important to find different ways of soothing yourself and managing stress other than food. And lastly is your habits. If you have the habit of having sweet things, then you are most likely to just carry on doing that. There are several ways of reducing sugar cravings. Number 1 is eating a balanced diet. This includes proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and fiber. This will keep your blood sugar levels stable and reduce cravings. Number 2 is drink enough water and stay hydrated. Sometimes we think we're hungry, but actually we're just thirsty. Getting regular exercise can help you with your cravings as it produces endorphins, and that's going to help you with your sugar cravings. Self-care practices or stress reduction techniques will help you with your sugar craving. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and breath work will help you with your sugar cravings as it reduces stress, and stress often leads to overeating. Eating a high fiber diet will also help you reduce cravings because it's going to keep you fuller for longer. I normally have a fiber supplement before my meals. And lastly, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger.